Installing the Ezra Kodi add-on is a breeze, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, open Kodi and head to the settings by clicking the gear icon. From there, go to System and enable Unknown Sources. This allows you to install add-ons from outside the official repository. Next, go back to the main menu and select File Manager. Click on Add Source, then enter the URL https://ezra-hubbard, github.io for the Ezra repository. Make sure you type it correctly. Once that's done, return to the main menu, select Add-ons, and click on the open box icon. Choose Install from zip file, find the Ezra source you just added, and install the repository. After that, go to Install from repository, select Ezra, and then choose your favorite add-on to install. In just a few clicks, you'll have access to a world of content. Enjoy streaming!